Did you get ready in the dark or something?
Let me guess, you have a phone, and you also have your heart set on a man, and you want him to fall madly in love with you. People fall in love every day, and while how they fall can vary quite a lot from one person to another, there is no denying the way you connect with a man is critical. Whether you like texting or not, this mode of communication is here to stay. Knowing how to text a guy you like can greatly influence the way he feels about you, just as his messages influence the way you feel about him. If you want to drastically cut down the time it takes to build a deeper bond with a man, then this is for you, because I'm going to reveal how to make someone fall in love over text. Texting is powerful. You can use texting as the glue that keeps the interest alive with a new man, or you can use it to reignite desire and bring playfulness back into an existing relationship. When you text the man the right way, he's intrigued and his interest will skyrocket. He will either see you as the keeper you want to be, or he will see you as a fun-time woman with whom he has no future. This is why it's important to know how to text a guy in a way that spikes the right kind of interest, the loving, adoring kind. So let's get back to ways make him fall in love over text. I know this sounds like a big order, but words are powerful and texting is a legitimate way to build a connection. Here's what you need to remember about texting a man. If you want him to drool for you and go gaga over you, then you need to talk to his heart in all of your messages. Yes, you want to inspire attraction, but in the early stages, there are ways to ignite his loving feelings that go deeper than a casual connection. If you want to make a man fall in love with you, follow these tips on how to text a guy in a way that has the power to capture his deepest interest. 1. Start with a sassy text. The first text to make him fall in love over text message is the sassy text. Be different, be unique, and share something about you that's unpredictable. Men love intriguing women. Here's an example of a sassy text to send a man. Woke up early today, but decided to get up and drive to the beach to watch the sunrise. This shows that you're not like most people who just stay in bed. It also reveals that you're motivated and a little adventurous. This is alluring without trying to be. Texting a man like this is effective because it takes the pressure off him to feel as though he always has to take the lead and be creative. This makes him realize that you might be able to add something to his life. It makes you more interesting and captivating. Be sure not to advertise falsely. Don't tell him you're doing something you're not, like skydiving. Lies catch up with us and are never a good start to any romance. 2. Next, move on to the cute text. Put a smile on his face by sending him a cute little text about something you're doing and he is not there to share. Or send something sweet and funny to let him know you're thinking about him, even when you're not together. Men like attention. And while he might never admit it, he loves to know you're thinking about him when you're not together. Too many women actually discourage men when, in fact, what most men need is more encouragement. Here's an example of a cute text you could send. I can't stop smiling all day just thinking about you. This is a sure winner. This kind of text tells him that he's made an impression and you're still thinking about him, which encourages him. This kind of text goes straight to a man's heart and ego without being too obviously flattering. Whatever you hear, men love a little bit of an ego pampering. They like to know that they're best even if they don't let it on. Also, men like cute. Period. It's one of those things that makes them feel strong and powerful enough to take on the world. Just be careful not to flatter him too much. Think drip feeding, not mushy overfeeding. If you're too grandiose about how amazing he is, he might think it's strange and like you have unrealistic expectations.
Don't judge me.
3. Now you're ready for the funny, quirky text. If I may paraphrase, laughter makes the heart grow fonder. If you can make him laugh, you can make him yours. In case you're wondering how exactly to make a guy laugh over text, let me tell that you pretty much anything goes. As long as it's funny to you, you should be alright. Here are a few random fun fact style texts you can send. I just heard that it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Did you know chewing gum while peeling onions will keep you from crying? Want to try it? This is kind of strange. I found out what's called a French kiss in the English-speaking world is known as an English kiss in France. Humor is hugely powerful to build a connection with a man. The way to anyone's heart, yours included, is through their funny bone. 4.
Text.